Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change your Shopify store name. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Shopify website if you're not already. So go right here to shopify.com, and once you open it up, the first thing you're going to see in the upper right corner is to go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and sign up for one, and after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can go ahead and get started with setting up our store and managing our store sections. As you can see immediately, one of the options we can see right here in the home page is to add a store name. This is what you can go and click to go and set up your store name. But if you do not see this option right here, if you've already set up a name and you want to change it, what we can do is go right here in the bottom left corner, click on the settings options in the bottom left corner. That's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can find all the settings for your store. We're going to go ahead and open up general settings right here, and as you can see in your general settings, you're going to go and be able to see your store details, and one of the options is my store right here, from where you can get started with clicking on it and changing your store name. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this new menu from where you can edit your store email, store phone, and most importantly your store name. So give the name that you want to use right here. Once you've set it up, you can just click save right here. It's going to save it and automatically apply it to your store, and now your store is going to go and be using that new name, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.